wish I brought my flute.
It's 10 a.m. already, and we have not eaten anything. We spent the whole morning watching YouTube videos of Brian Tanaka and some breakdancers. And did you like that, bud? Mm-hmm. Yeah? We're at the store right now getting gluten-free bread so we can make French toast and eggs every weekend. All right, ready to go, bud?
Boring store.
Oh, cute.
We were vlogging failures today.
I know, seriously.
Failures. It's bad.
It's your fault.
That's probably true. So I am finishing getting ready. Good morning, it's Sunday. I don't know if we've vlogged yet today. We're failures this weekend. I'm just gonna admit that right now. It's been a fun weekend though. It's been a busy one, but in like relaxing, fun kind of ways, you know what I mean? So I've just finished getting my makeup on. Well, I haven't done a lip, obviously, but the rest is pretty much done. We're gonna go to our friend's daughter's first birthday party, and then we're gonna go to IKEA because we need some stuff.
I'll be super careful with you. Make your face lower.
Now what do I do? I'm gonna take a nap. Beep boop. Your face is so messy.